Hi guys, my name is Umair and you're watching Umair's workshop. Today I'm going to talk about this bulb humidifier which is works on the ultrasonic mist making, but it is going to help with the help of the cotton bud, which is going to absorb any kind of impurities from the water, and then it gives the ultrasonic to purify water. Over here we have four things which comes in this box. You can see it can change up to 7 colors like this, and it have all the information over here. It is 400 ml and it is ABS PP PET material, DC 5 volt 2 watt, consumption 6 hour. When you open it, it will work up to 6 hours and then it will turn off. And then it comes with this manual. If we read it carefully, we will know how to use it. If you press long press 2 seconds, it will turn on the light. Press once, it will start working. Press 1 second and it will turn off. If you press long for about like 5 seconds, it will start to change the color, and you can press 5 seconds to lock on that light. So it is a basic information that you just have to take off the cap, put the stones inside, and then place the water inside and then close, and then it will start working. So there are important things which you have to read before using, that don't use the humidifier when there is no water, and turn off the plug if you are not using for a very long time. And you don't have to cover this button because all the internal circuit is going to get cooled by from this side of the button, so don't cover it. And small stones, these stones have the function to absorb the water impurities, so you have to take it out once in 1 or 2 days and clean them off. So I'm gonna make it work by plugging the USB cable in it and connect it to my mobile charger like this, and it start to work. Now it's not working. We have to press the button for one time and it will start working. You can see it is making very good humidity like this. Very good humidity. It is going very upward. Now you can see it is a very fine mist for humidifying for the room and for a lot of applications. And let's see, if one time button it will turn off. If you one time button, it will start working. And if I press it long, it will start to change the colors, and if you like that color, you will long press 5 seconds and it will lock on that. So it is very useful device for the humidify in your room or cages, incubators, office. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Have a nice day. Bye.